So we are looking at the Ford Maverick, guys. Looks pretty good. So we got pull down armrest, very nice, and that's fairly decent placing on that. Got regular pull out on the back, put stuff. Not too bad on space wise, it's pretty good. Looks like, let's see here. So you can move, not sure. Oh yeah. So that flips up there, so you can put stuff underneath. Sweet.
Typical
yeah.
Ford product there.
But check out these. So you have the little orange accents. You got what would you call that, Todd?
Well, it reminds me. It's more like a marble plastic.
Yeah.
It reminds me of the inside of a cooler.
Yeah. So I mean,
all your,
but
nice
light accents. I mean, a lot of nice accents inside of this truck. It looks really good.
No, I really like it.
Yeah.
That's a pretty. I like the color interior.
Exactly. Then we got the pretty nice, decent door, good window. Then you got the front interior.
Nice grippy steering wheel too.
I mean, it's a nice basic interior too. It's not cluttered. It's fairly decent.
Right. I mean, it's not luxury, but I mean, you get your folded or molded floor mats
with the Maverick on there. So
I mean, we're a little bit dirty from mowing, so we're not.
We're not getting into it.
Here, so
oh, you got the Built Ford Tough logo on the side.
It does need touch.
It looks really nice though.
I think there's decent room back there.
So let's see here, guys. So you have 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
I love how these doors have that now. Makes it very nice. This one's coming with Continental tires. So there's the front. Which honestly, the front end looks a lot better than the Ranger, don't you think?
I think
just
so.
the front end.
I think so.
Yeah.
Let's take a look underneath the hood here.
Yeah. If it has the thing, we can do that.
Either way, have it there.
Has it somewhere. But this XLT.
Yeah, this is a 2-liter turbo.
Yeah.
I'm not feeling it.
Okay, so it might be not be there, but yeah. But check out the bed. I mean, the bed's sweet. I mean, it's not super large, but a nice size. And then fairly decent tailgate. Let's see, does tailgate come down? Oh yeah. So I mean, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, and this is the hard grippy stuff too.
Oh,
so.
See, it's got the sticker on there.
The tough bed. That's sweet.
So I forget what this is, but that's part of your flex accessories.
Okay. Yeah.
I mean, this is probably.
But see, you already have tie downs. Oh yeah, you have multiple. You have like tie down there, tie down up there, tie downs on the bed itself. So I mean, pretty sweet and fairly light tailgate, so it's not super hefty.
I think this one's just 2-wheel drive too.
Yeah. Now is it front wheel drive or is it rear wheel drive?
It is front wheel drive.
Okay.
But you can get an all-wheel drive.
Now is this the one with the hybrid or is it the?
This is a 2.0 turbo, so you can come drive.
Oh, okay. So so this is the.
Did you see the price of this?
No, I didn't.
It's
27. 2770.
27,370.
Oh, 370. Okay.
Yeah. So 23 city, 26 miles combined.
So I mean, for a little truck, I mean that is not bad.
Oh.
Okay, so the EcoBoost engine. So that means it's not the hybrid, which is nice.
They haven't had a hybrid yet.
That's good. That's good. Yeah, this is definitely where you want to go with.
26 miles in this. 26 miles to go.
Yeah. Hybrid opens up a whole can of worms when it comes to parts.
Cool color wheels too. And the guys were telling us
good.
Because we're here at Run Norris Ford in Titusville, and the guys were telling us that since they've had it here, which has been maybe 3 days, they've been getting 5 orders a day for this truck. So
I can see why.
Pretty amazing.
I mean, really, it's a fair price for what you get because you get basically you get a sedan and a truck all at the same time. So I mean, really,
I think if
you think of it like that, it's great.
I think it looks roomier than the Ridgeline in the back too. Don't you?
Yeah.
I mean, it's still a little snug for big people like that.
Right. Yeah. But just foot wise, it looks a lot better than the Ridgeline
compared to the to the Ridgeline.
So, all right.
Santa Cruz has its own unique look, but I think I like the way the Ford pulls off its variety. Cool little mirrors too.
Yeah, so definitely sweet little truck.
Yeah.
Looks good. So
we're impressed.
Yep.
If we come back and drive it, you'll know.
Alrighty.
All right.
All right. Bye bye, guys.